Okay, in this first example, we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Here's our right angle, so that means the side we're given is the hypotenuse. Here's our 60-degree angle, so that means the side we're looking for is the long leg. Now remember, with a 30, 60, 90 triangle, everything's about the short leg. So here's my 30-degree angle, and across from there, that is our short leg. So if I don't have the short leg, I need to find it. And if I'm given the hypotenuse and I'm looking for the short leg, our shortcut tells us that we're going to divide by 2. So if I take 2 square root 2 and I divide that by 2, these 2's right here are going to cancel out, and the short leg is equal to the square root of 2. Then, if I know the short leg and I'm looking for the long leg, I'm going to multiply by the square root of 3. So when I take square root of 2 times the square root of 3, because they both have radicals, then I would just multiply these two numbers, 2 times 3, and that would give us square root of 6. That would be the long leg is square root of 6, because that won't simplify because our two factors are 2 and 3, both prime numbers. In our next example, we are again working with a 30, 60, 90 triangle. In this one, here's my 60, so we're given the long leg, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. All right, so again, we're saying, hey, if I'm given the long leg, here's my 30, opposite that is our short leg. If I don't have the short leg, then I need to find it. So if I'm given the long leg and I'm finding the short leg, then I'm going to divide by square root of 3. So when I take 9 square root of 3 divided by square root of 3, those square root of 3's, they cancel out. We find that our short leg is equal to 9. If I know the short leg and I'm finding the hypotenuse, then I'm going to multiply by 2. 9 times 2 tells us that our hypotenuse is 18.